In this video, I'll guide you through how to share your Google Calendar so other people can see your events. Whether you're planning with co-workers, family, or a group of friends, sharing a calendar is a simple way to keep everyone on the same page. I'll walk you through each step, explain what the options mean, and give you a few tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in. Make sure you sign in with the account that owns the calendar you want to share. Once you're in, you should see your calendar view with your events laid out by day, week, or month. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled My Calendars. This is a list of all the calendars that belong to your account, such as your main calendar, maybe a work calendar, or any others you've created. If you don't see the full list, you might need to click the small arrow or expand icon next to My Calendars to open it up. Next, find the specific calendar you want to share in that list. Move your mouse over the calendar name and you'll see 3 vertical dots appear to the right of it. Click on those 3 dots to open a small menu of options related to that calendar. This menu lets you customize things like color and settings. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will open a new page dedicated to the settings for that particular calendar. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct calendar by looking at the name at the top of the page. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Share with Specific People or Groups. This is where you can add individual people or entire groups to share your calendar with. Click the option to add people or groups, then type in their email addresses. After you add someone, you'll also see a permission drop-down. Here, you can decide what level of access they have, such as only seeing if you're free or busy, seeing full event details, or even making changes to events. Choose the level that makes sense for how you plan to collaborate. Further down, you'll see another section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This controls broader, more public access. To make your calendar available to anyone with the link, check the box that says something like Make Available to Public or Make Available for anyone with the link, depending on what's shown. Keep in mind that enabling this can allow people to see more of your event details, so be sure you're comfortable with that before turning it on. Once public access is enabled, you can click the option to Get Shareable Link. This will generate a link to your calendar. Copy that link and then you can paste it into an email, a group chat, or wherever you communicate with your friends or colleagues. Anyone with that link will be able to view your calendar according to the permissions you chose. And that's all it takes. You've now shared your Google Calendar, either with specific people or more broadly using a link so everyone can stay in sync with your schedule.